Here are 6 effective methods to resolve the no command error and get your Android back to normal. Method 1. Re-enter recovery mode. Step 1. Power off your device completely. Step 2. Press and hold the volume up plus power buttons together. Step 3. Release the power button once the Android logo appears, but keep holding the volume up button. Step 4. If the device enters recovery mode without the no command screen, you're good to go. Method 2. Restart Android device. When we encounter issues with our electronic devices, the first thing that comes to mind is to reboot the device. You just need to press and hold the power button for 10-15 seconds until the device restarts. Method 3. Wipe cache using recovery mode. Step 1. Reboot into recovery mode. Step 2. Select Wipe Cache Partition using the volume buttons. Step 3. Confirm the action and wait for it to complete. After the cache is wiped, restart your device. Method 4. Factory reset the Android device. This will erase all existing data on your device and restore it to its factory settings, which may potentially fix the Android no command issue. However, please back up your Android phone before resetting it to factory settings. Step 1. Boot into recovery mode. Step 2. Use the volume buttons to select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Step 3. Confirm the action and wait for the process to finish. Step 4. Restart the device, and it should boot up without the no command error. Method 5. Flash a ROM. If none of the above methods work, it may be time to flash the official firmware. Step 1. Download the correct ROM for your device model from the manufacturer's website. Step 2. Use tools like Odin for Samsung or Fastboot to flash the ROM. Step 3. Follow the instructions carefully, as flashing a ROM incorrectly can permanently damage your device. Method 6. Use Android Repair. If the no command on Android issue stems from system problems, Android Repair will be your best bet. Step 1. Download and install the tool. Then select System Repair from the main window. Step 2. Connect your problematic Android device to the computer using a functional USB cable. After detecting the device, select the Android Repair tab and click Start. Step 3. Select and confirm the correct details of your Android device. Then, boot your Android device into download mode and proceed. Step 4. Download the firmware and click Repair Now. After some time, your Android will be repaired, and the process system not responding error will be resolved.